Namaste friends, I am Ritesh, and today our focus is specially for runners and cyclists. A great posture for athletes, a variation for warrior one, and comes regularly in sun salutation. Friends, I am talking about low lunge, also known as Anjaneyasana or crescent pose. A little bit of variation in the asanas changes the whole name concept of this. Friends, it's a beginner level standing balancing pose. So before we get into this practice, it's very important to know that people with chronic injury to the legs or hip should avoid the pose. Heart and knee conditions, completely avoid it. And if you have a high blood pressure, please don't do this pose or do it under a medical supervision. Friends, before we get into Anjaneyasana, it's very important to start with some preparations of downward facing dog, a chair pose, a wide leg forward bend, or something where the hand to big toe posture is there. So some of these preparations are very good before you get into the practice. Friends, now let's get into the practice. So before we do a runner's lunge or Anjaneyasana, any asana that you starts with a Tadasana. So I told myself, lift the shoulders up and back and down. My chin is parallel. My face muscles are relaxed. And I don't forget to smile. Okay? You don't have to be very serious when you do the poses. From here, I keep my right leg, take a step forward. Now it depends upon person to person. Some people will take a step here, it depends upon your comfortability. But don't take it too wide, right? You can't balance it. Now, if somebody is having a knee issue, shorten the distance. Else, you can take it out straight, keep the back heel up. Now what I need, my knee and ankle is in one line, my knee and second toe is in one line, right? Maintain this position. But now if I want to reduce the intensity, I can keep the knees on the floor. If you have a knee issues, please use a bolster or a block. So tall yourself and just keep moving forward. So friends, it's a deep stretch to your hip flexors. Keep moving. Check the neck and shoulders, relax. All the variations are fine. You can lift the arms up, give a backward extension. It's a great chest opener, right? So breathing gets much better in this position. Breathe, breathe. Now that's a way where you get into a little bit of beginner level. Now if you want to get it a little bit more intense, lift the knees up. Tall yourself. Keep your back leg active. Maintain this position. And now from here, lift the arms up. And breathe. Friends, engage your core. See that your pelvis is not going like this or this. Keep it neutral. Okay? Tall yourself, lengthen it, and maintain that position. Now, in case holding it isometrically, you need a little bit of movement. So add the dynamic movement. Just to change a little bit. So once again, check the movement. Tall yourself, lift up, and just move. 1, 2, 3. Hands on the hip. And maintain that position. Friends, just to change a little bit of dynamic movement into your whole asana, it's great to have variations in Anjaneyasana. Friends, it's a great pose for balance, memory, and concentration. And people have benefited, especially people with sciatica pain, have benefited with these. It's opening the heart and chest and lungs. Friends, it strengthens the legs, the arms, shoulders and back. It gives a nice flexibility to your hamstrings, hip flexors and groin. Friends, that was your Anjaneyasana. Friends, if you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe. In case you have any suggestions, do mention in the comment section below. Namaste.